They stand. The impressed grooves and calluses. The diatonic chords of their journey. The drops. Lifts. The glides, plucks, and slides.
Hi, my name is Joel and I'm in first year.
Hi, my name is Mary and I'm also in first year. Today we just had a workshop to prepare for World Ballet Day.
Think about how you want to connect these ideas and how you want to dance with Devon's voice.
The breath of sunshine moves.
Well, we often have this vision of a blind person as someone who finds difficult his or her disability, but in reality, it adds so much to the dance. You can feel so much more. When she said the word, she truly felt it in her soul.
Devon would read out a line of words, so it could be like, as they rise or something like that. What we'd have to do is we'd have to interpret it in our own way and sort of dance to it. What I found the most interesting about this was how each time Devon said it, she said it in a different way. So sometimes she could exaggerate a word and sometimes she could maybe say it quickly. Each time she done that, I was sort of able to change the way I did the movement and sort of experiment with the sort of piece that I created.
What I found really interesting is that often we think that we need music to just do some movements, but actually without music, the movement becomes really more meaningful. We have to actually have to make it sense. We have to put a meaning behind every movement. We really have to feel the word she said and really interpret it.
Something really important I've learned today was the different ways that I can interpret my movement, because the speaker had a really wonderful voice where she could exaggerate some things and sort of say it quickly and change the dynamic. I feel like whenever I dance a piece of music or any sound, I sort of get lost in it and I get really focused and I start worrying about the counts and this and that. With this piece, I could feel every single movement in a different way.
She was reading out loud and she could feel each one of us in the studio. She was really feeling the atmosphere, feeling our way of dancing, and she could see how we dance, even though she's blind. And I think that's just really beautiful.